Stop the fussing. Get the simple tool for patience and waiting today. Hey kids, do you ever feel like time is moving too slowly when you are waiting for something exciting? This story is for you. Percy the Penguin's slow motion counter. In the vast, icy world of Antarctica lived a spunky black and white penguin named Percy. Percy was great at sliding and diving, but he was terrible at waiting. Percy loved fish, and every day he waited for Mama Penguin to come back from the sea with their lunch. One chilly morning, Percy was starving. He was so hungry that the time between Mama leaving and coming back felt like a whole year. He paced back and forth, tapping his flippers, whining softly and staring at the empty ocean. "Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up," he squawked, jumping impatiently. He felt a frantic, tight, and unpleasant jiggle start inside his tummy and spread to his flippers. It was the Hurry Jiggle. The jiggle told him, "Waiting is painful. Pacing and fussing will make the time go faster. You must worry about how long it's taking." This tight, jiggling feeling made him unhappy, even though he knew the fish would arrive soon. He saw the empty minutes not as time to play or relax, but as endless, painful nothingness. He felt he had nothing to do, nothing to feel except pure, useless impatience. His grandpa Pingu, who was calmly preening his feathers nearby, watched Percy's frantic dance. "Percy, my speedy swimmer," Grandpa Pingu chuckled gently, "your tummy is full of the hurry jiggle. That jiggle makes your waiting time feel 10 times longer, and it makes you miserable. You can't rush the ocean, but you can calm your body. It's time for the simple tool for patience." "A tool? But the minutes are so slow, and I'm so hungry," Percy cried, tapping his feet faster. "The time is the same, but you are moving too fast inside," Grandpa explained. "You need a way to slow down your body and mind until the moment arrives. It's called the slow motion counter." Grandpa Pingu taught him the powerful, simple tool for patience and self-control. Stop the jiggle. Immediately stop the tapping, squawking, and fussing. Freeze your body. Move to slow motion. Imagine everything slowing way down, your breath, your movements, your thoughts. Use your flipper to slowly count to 10, moving your flipper as slowly as possible. Choose calm. When you reach 10, pick one quiet, slow activity to do while you wait, and say your power words. "Time is slow and I am calm." Percy decided to try it. He forced his flippers to stop flapping. Stop the jiggle. He took a deep, calming breath of the cold air. Move to slow motion. He started counting, moving his flipper like it was stuck in thick mud. 1, 2, 3. It felt silly, but focusing on the slowness made the frantic jiggle quiet down. Choose calm. When he reached the 10, he chose to calmly look for interesting shapes in the ice. He whispered, "Time is slow, and I am calm." He focused on the ice shapes for just a few minutes, completely forgetting about the clock. When he looked up, Mama Penguin was waddling toward him with the biggest, shiniest fish he had ever seen. Because he chose calm, the waiting time felt shorter and much happier. He learned that the greatest hero wasn't the penguin who waited fastest, but the one who knew how to use his slow motion counter to find peace and quiet during the pause. His true power was not in rushing, but in the steady, patient strength of his calm mind. The greatest hero of this story is you. You just unlocked the secret to patience, the slow motion counter. The next time you feel the need to rush and fuss, remember to stop the jiggle, move to slow motion, and say, "Time is slow and I am calm." If this simple story and the slow motion counter helped your child practice patience and manage the frustration of waiting, help us share this vital emotional intelligence tool with other families. Subscribe and share this episode so every child can learn the strength of self-control and peaceful waiting.